Rohan was playing chess with his father. He heard his mother call him from the kitchen. Rohan, can you come and help me clean the storeroom? Asked his mother. After we are done with the storeroom, I need you to help me clean your bedroom as well as as well as as well as well said his mother. No, mom, today is Sunday. Please let me enjoy myself. But Rohan, we need to get the entire house cleaned by the next week. Don't you remember that Deepavali is just 15 days away? Aunt Simi and your cousins are coming to celebrate Deepavali with us. Oh, yes. How could Rohan have forgotten? Deepavali was just around the corner. It was Rohan's most favorite festival. He did not mind helping his parents clean the entire house before Deepavali. After the house was cleaned, it was painted with a fresh coat of paint. Where every year their home looked beautifully on the light of Deepavali. Every year after the house was cleaned, Rohan's mother and grandmother started making sweets. Rohan's grandmother was a great cook and liked make the sweets at they have been making lots of delicious items every Deepavali. Rohan's mouth started watering at the thought of the delicious gulab jamuns and gujiyas that he would be eating in a few days. Finally, it was Friday. That next day was Deepavali. Thought everyone was happy. Rohan was very sad. His mother had said that she would not buy any crackers for him this year. So he went to his father. Dad, I want to go and buy crackers. A whole lot of them, said Rohan. Just then his elder sister Anjali came into the room. Mm, Who who took a pledge in school to say no to crackers, and asked Anjali. Don't you remember, Rohan? All the students of our school have promised to buy crackers this year. Don't you remember how much smoke and dust the crackers caused last year? Rohan was silent. All his happiness vanished. After all, what was Deepavali without crackers? Anjali knew her brother was very fond of bursting crackers. Oh, come on, Rohan, we will make a rangoli with the colors I have, she said, trying to cheer him up. I will put fairy lights all over the house, said Grandpa. You will have to help me, Rohan. I have bought new clothes for everyone, said Mom. Um, you can taste all the sweets to make sure that they are Tasty added grandma. Tasty added grandma. No, Rohan. Now Rohan brightened up. He could wait. He could not wait for the next morning. It was indeed, a very happy Deepavali for him.